G'day everyone, Grep Aussie here. Sorry about the hat, but I've been out in the sun and everything. I've had a really short haircut. Look, I've had a very interesting response to the King's Observatory Valdosta. And the reason why I'm putting this up is because of the response, and I just want to go through something that hopefully everyone can look at and advise back. Like I said, I'm not an expert at this stuff, and I'm not an astronomer, and I'm not a computer wizard. Excuse me. But I'll show you down in the subsection here. One of my subs, Liz, has sent me some really interesting stuff in regards to this. And this is hers here. Now, she sent some pictures on Dropbox that I'm hoping will come through as I open these up, and you guys can look at them and you'll see exactly what I mean. If it's true, what she's picked up, and might I say, fantastic catch if it is. And you know, this was what I always wanted to start this thing for, was to look for Nibiru, and then try and get everybody else to look for Nibiru and find out whether it was truth or not, because there seems so much for, and you know, so much against. The thing that worries me about the against is the vitriol that comes from the against. Geez, heavy stuff. You might have noticed it doesn't pop up on my things too often because I just delete it straight away. Don't answer to it, don't talk to them enough, and just delete it. Which I guess is what everyone calls trolling. I just don't bother with it. But I'll click on this. Now, like I said, hopefully someone there, Strop, if you're listening, you're pretty good at this stuff, and a few of the other guys. If you listen, if you watch this, just have a good look at what Liz is saying on these pictures. I'll bring it up now. I'm hoping that that's changed over, because it didn't actually say, oh yeah, the recording is tab. Now, this was obviously the picture that was on there, and I'm actually starting, ever since Liz sent me this morning, I was thinking about it. Why would anyone put this on Skycam? That's the repeating question that goes through my mind. Just why would you put it on Skycam? Excuse me. And I just couldn't figure it out. So let's have a look at this one. Now, this was the one that I captured, and what Liz is saying is that this picture here is an actual picture from NASA, showing this spot here. Does that make sense to everybody? So what we're looking at is virtually a 90-degree shift that way, so that these are lining up through that way now. Oh, sorry. This is the original picture. So the one that I'm looking at, that I took the other night, it's gone the opposite way. So these have gone that way and are lining that way. So it's a full 90-degree tilt. Does that make sense? I hope everyone's understanding that. Right, I'll show you the next one. It's bloody hard to get the next one. That was that one. Just let me see if I can open this one up. Because I'm doing it through this Screencastify. No, it's the same one. Sorry, guys. Pick one. See if this is it. Nope, same one. Moon picks. Same one. Look, I tried to save it before, but it was a bloody nightmare. But look, if you go onto Liz's site, or from the comment section, from the comment section on my site, she's actually sent 2 of these. And you can clearly see that, like I said, it's shifted 90 degrees. You can see that's shifted 90 degrees. Now, look at the outline of the, for want of a better term, bay there. It's pretty similar, if not matching. So if this is true, either the Earth is tilted 90 degrees, I don't know what that would be in percentages, or the Moon has tilted. Its axis has turned sort of 90 degrees. So either at the moment our Earth has tilted 90 degrees, or the Moon is tilted 90 degrees, if these pictures are 100% correct. And I tell you what, they bloody look like it, don't they? So if everyone could give a hand and just tell us what you think, that'd be bloody handy. Yeah, look at that. Geez, they look similar, don't they? My only thought, like I said this morning, is if anyone put this up, and if this is true, if this turns out to be true, then the only reason that this was put up was put up by someone who was trying to expose what was going on. Surely. The only person who would put this up would be someone who wanted to get the word out there, but was trying to do it in a clandestine manner. Is that the word? So it's been done on a sneaky, or a shifty, as they say in England. That's the only reason you'd put this up. Someone's put this up hoping that someone would see something, I'm guessing. Sounds a bit far-fetched, doesn't it? Well, I'll tell you what, those bloody craters look exactly the same. And the outline there looks exactly the same. Doesn't it? That looks the same. And that looks exactly the same as that. Look. Crater, crater, crater. Looks eerily close, doesn't it? What gives it away is that bit there, because that is that bit there. Isn't it? Goes round the bay, comes down, and goes in like that. Geez, that's got to be it, hasn't it? Bloody hell. So hence the reason why I'm saying the only reason that someone would put that up would be to actually hopefully expose what's going on. Surely, because why else was this moon on there that day? Anyway, folks, have a look in the comment section and look on the pictures and go through it and do some super sleuthing. Time is of the essence. God bless. Speak to you all later.